Hello friends, today we are going to see trigonometry. It is just a continuation of the last video. Today we are going to see how, with the help of the Pythagoras theorem, we can find some important expression in solving problem in trigonometry. Let's get started by drawing our right angle triangle. Here I have my angle theta, I have my hypotenuse C, I have my opposite A, and I have my adjacent B. By applying the Pythagoras theorem, I obtain A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Now, if I decide to divide both sides by C squared, I will obtain A squared divided by C squared plus B squared divided by C squared is equal to C squared divided by C squared. This will implies I will have A on C, or that square, plus B on C, or that square, is equal to 1. I know that my function sine theta is equal to the opposite A divided by the hypotenuse. I also know that my function cos theta is equal to the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. I also know that my function sec theta is equal to 1 over cos theta, and it is equal to C divided by B. I also know that tan theta is equal to my opposite divided by my adjacent. I also know that cot theta will be equal to my adjacent B divided by the opposite. With that, I can clearly see that in this expression I will obtain sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. This is a very important expression in trigonometry. Let us continue with this expression. I have this expression, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. By dividing both sides by sine squared theta, I will obtain sine squared theta divided by sine squared theta plus cos squared theta divided by sine squared theta is equal to 1 divided by sine squared theta. Here I will obtain 1 plus cos theta divided by sine theta, all that squared, will be equal to 1 divided by sine theta, all that squared. From these I will obtain 1 plus, I know that cos theta divided by sine theta is equal to cot theta. Because of this square, I will have cot square theta is equal to 1 all over sine theta is cosec theta. I will obtain cosec square theta. This is also a very important expression in trigonometry. Very important. Let us continue by deriving expression which will help us to solve trigonometric problems. Let us write again our Pythagoras theorem. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. By dividing both sides by B squared, I will obtain A squared divided by B squared plus B squared divided by B squared is equal to C squared divided by B squared. By solving this, I will obtain A divided by B, all that squared, plus 1 is equal to C divided by B, all that squared. Now I know that A divided by B, A is my opposite and B is my adjacent. I will obtain tan squared theta plus 1 is equal to C divided by B is my sec theta. Then I will obtain sec square theta. This is a very important expression in trigonometry. So what you people should note in this video is, let us see a summary of what we did. You people have to know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Also, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Another formula to note is that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. This is the end of this video. I hope you learned something new. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Ciao.